Got the tuk-tuks all lined up. Should I take them in the market? Or is this a market?
There's a market.
Can we go inside?
Go there.
Okay.
Local life. Go straight in there.
Ooh. Go in here. This way. Inside and outside. Hello, little guy. You wanna be on YouTube? You wanna be on YouTube? Nice to meet you.
And you say back.
Yeah.
I want.
He wants to be on YouTube. Oh, you got your even little massage and spa. Hey, hey, let's go walk down here. We walk down here. Yeah. Wow. This is so small. We got some little material shops.
This is a man who's done this before. The vendor is on to him as he plans his attack. He finds
Go straight.
Thôi mẹ đi.
Yep.
Bay đông tôi vui này cho tôi vui.
bobbing her head. Cambodian people are fun. Even more.
Yeah. Go. Just see the man, the big man is coming to the pagoda. Right now, it's how like tiger man.
Here we are. Gold. All gold, yeah?
It look like the palace.
Wow, it's all gold, yeah?
Yeah,
All gold? Made out of gold?
yeah, yeah. Just see around. Just turn around there. Straight on. Just see the man. Wow.
Yeah. Experiencing the Cambodia temple right by the night market in Phnom Penh. Let's go. First time traveling. All right. Enjoying the time here. Very cool. I want to show you guys around.
Just see the big, that's one.
Oh wow. Look at this. Can you go in here?
Yeah, so you can go in there, go there.
I say you slow walk. Ah, okay. You can scoot back a little bit. Right.
So cool, man.
What?
Video.
Yeah. Wow. That's pretty crazy looking.
Let's try this one. Go. Wow. Pigeon.
I got a message. Cambodia! Woo! All right, let's party it up.
During Cambodia. Yeah. The tiger boy. Tiger man.
All right. Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel great. Yeah, I like it here. It's a beautiful area, and I think that there's a ton of attractions that people who come to Cambodia can see for the first time. Yeah. Yeah, also there are a lot of dishes. I think that You know, people can try the Khmer food if they're not familiar with it. A lot of street food here in Phnom Penh that is very delicious. So a lot of times you can have the option for your Western food, maybe spend, I don't know, $5 to $7 for a meal. But I think there's even better food if you want to try the local dishes. Now, there's a street on the riverside, which is right by my hotel, and it has many Khmer dishes where you can have meals on average for $2 to $3. And yeah, I definitely think that if you are on a budget, you can do Phnom Penh. You just have to be aware that they use US dollar and do not let people take advantage of you, because there are people everywhere in the world that could take advantage of you. So always protect yourself, protect your belongings, and stay safe out here if you come visit. Yeah. All right. Over here we're walking towards seeing the king in Cambodia. All right, we're over here in Phnom Penh. We were gonna go to some sightseeing, go see the palace, but as you can see, it is pouring down rain. I wanted to show you guys what it's like here today and what it's like in rainy season here. The floods are crazy. It gets quick flash floods. 1 minute it'll be nice and sunny. The next minute it'll be extremely hard rain. Now, I don't know when you are planning to come to Cambodia, but I would recommend coming when it's less rainy and more dry season. All right, see you guys next time.